Meron. Kailangan eh. In order for us to preserve the same taste. However, culinary hindi it's baking pwede well kahit nga sa baking mahirap pa rin pero as much as possible baking kasi science eh. um, Culinary art so at the end of the day meron pa standard recipe but sometimes you just have to make adjustments eh. You followed everything pero it doesn't taste the usual so you just have to adjust it put put little salt, sugar, or what have you. Um, Yun ang pwede mong gawin kapag culinary. And, kumbaga, yung adjustments na yun, kami na. Kasi kami talaga yung may panlasa eh. So, yeah. Baking, mas mahirap. Well, mas madali, but time consuming na baking. Marunong rin ako mag-bake. Nag-culinary rin ako. Sa CCA ako. Then, I finished it sa Australia. Ang habol ko kasi yung diploma para recognize natin eh.